Hello students, now I will show you the practical of shape function. So import numpy as np means we are importing numpy library, and as np we are writing because numpy is a not very lengthy word, but we can make a practice. If you do not want to write an as np, you can leave np. So instead of here you will use numpy. Here we have used np. Okay, so for short so that it will not waste our time and it will be convenient for us to write the object name. So here we are importing numpy library. Okay, so whatever the numpy library what the function we needed, like array we are using. Okay, so x is equal to np dot array 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So how many rows are there? Only one. Okay, so how many columns are there? 1 2 3 4. So print x dot shape will show you 4 elements are there in first row, in row 0. Okay, so 1D में only one element will be there, one dimension will be there, not two dimension will be there. Okay, now we are checking for the 2D array. So x equal to np dot array, we have to use two. This all are 1D array and it's a complete array. Okay, so how many rows are there? That is in 0 and 1 2D. It's of in our course only 1 and 2D arrays are there. So in 0th row में 0th index में how many rows are there? 1 2 3. It shows the rows, and so that's why we have done 3, and it shows the column. So 1 2 3 column, 1 2 3 column. In the first position axis 1 shows you vertical bar, or you can say axis 1 show you column and axis 0 show you row. So how many? It's showing you rows and showing you column, or axis 0 or axis 1. So axis 0 में how many elements, how many rows are there? 3. And columns, how many? In each axis में how many columns are there? 3. So we are not writing, it's when we are giving the command x dot shape, automatically it is giving you what? That is 3, 3 answer. Okay, so 3, 3 means total we have the 9 elements. So this is a 9. Now item size will tell you size of each element in bytes. Item size will tell you each element in bytes. So it depends on your processor, what kind of processor you are using in your system. So in this case, x dot item size. So we have taken this much integer part. These all are the integer value. So integer का size क्या है? 4 bytes. How much it is? 4 bytes, because we are using 32-bit processors. Okay, when you will be having 32-bit processor speed your CPU, then you will be having 4 bytes for the integer. Okay, अगर आपका 16-bit processor if you are using, for that you will be having integer size 2. So same way here we are checking for the float value. The float ka size, because we are using 32-bit processor speed of the CPU, so it will give you 4 to the 8 byte size of the float. The float का size क्या होता है by default? 8 if you are using 32-bit processor, and for the integer the size of the elements will be 4. Okay, we are asking the integer, what is the size of the integer when you are using 32-bit processors CPUs. So for that 4, and for float 8. I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you.